Wow, it's so important. At the first, I'm gonna to show the graph of raise x squared from 0 to 1. We know this value is exactly 0, yes? But from 1 until radical 2 is 1, and if we're gonna to calculate between radical 2 and radical 3, this value is exactly 2, and between this interval the answer is exactly 3, yes? Therefore, we must split these integrals to 1, 2, 3, 4 integrals. Integration of 0 to 1 x squared dx plus integration of 1 until radical 2 x squared dx plus integration of radical 2 until radical 3 x squared dx plus the last one radical 3 until 2 x squared dx. What about the value? I told you this part is 0, between 1 and radical 2 is 1, and this 2, and this part is 3. Therefore, our answer is integration of 0 till 1, 0 dx plus integration 1 until radical 2, 1 dx plus integration of radical 2, radical 3, 2x dx, and the last one integration until 2, 3 dx. Yes? Okay, I just substitute in here. This part is 0, this part is x, radical 2, 1 plus 2x, radical 3, 2, radical 3, 2. And if we put these values, is radical 2 minus 1 plus 2, radical 3 minus radical 2, and plus 2 minus radical 3. But our total answer is 6 minus 1 is exactly 5, but minus 2 radical 2 and radical 2 is minus radical 2. And the last one about radical 3, 2 radical 3 and minus 3 radical 3 is minus radical 3. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and like this post.